Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this September the 22nd, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Monday out there so far. Everybody has a great Monday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because that's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be starting off from Gabrielle, which is located east of Bermuda, and continue to pull away from the island. We're watching two more tropical systems that could spin up into something. Here is one tropical wave right here. This system here could become Humberto. We got another system right here just north of the Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic. This system here has about a 50% chance of development over the next 7 days. So we'll talk about that toward the end of the video as well. You can see other tropical waves out in tropical Atlantic. We need to monitor them. Got scattered activity over South America, Central America, the Yucatan Peninsula, over toward Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, Cuba, Haiti, also toward the Northwest Bahamas, also across Florida, South Florida that is, also across the Eastern Pacific. You can see some tropical activity there as well. Got more activity over toward Colorado, New Mexico, also up in the portions of Montana. Then more activity over in Iowa and Wisconsin. Then again from portions of Mississippi all the way up into southeast Canada. This is located ahead of a cold front that will continue to slowly push on off to the east, which will bring some severe weather to portions of the middle, the Ohio River Valley, portion of the middle portion of the country, and portions of the central U.S. as well. We'll talk about that in the Storm Prediction Center outlook toward the end of this video. Alright, let's move on to the forecast call from the National Hurricane Center. You can see here's the tropical storm force winds in yellow, kind of small, a little bit of hurricane force winds right behind the X here. You can see it remains a major hurricane through 2 a.m. Wednesday. By 2 p.m. afternoon, should be back down to a Category 2, and then kind of weakening from a Category 2 to a 1, and then just post-tropical storm as you head towards Saturday. Alright, but if you're tracking the system at home, it's located near latitude 31.7 north, longitude 68.8 west. Maximum sustained winds are near 140 miles an hour with higher gusts. Moving to the north-northeast at 12 miles an hour, which is classified as a major hurricane with winds of 110 miles per hour. Alright, let's take a look at the forecast track from the Spaghetti-O model. You can see here is the center of the storm. Continue to pull on off to the north central tropical Atlantic. Head on over toward Europe. Alrighty, now here's the intensity guidance of the system. About 120 knot winds equal to 140 miles an hour. You can see there it goes, beginning the weekend to a Category 3, 2, 1 tropical storm by 132 to 168 hours out. Alrighty, but if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. Alrighty, hopefully we'll come up here in a minute, but make sure you subscribe if you have not already to my forecast channel. I'll keep you up to date on these hurricanes, and also your local forecast is also included, and also the Storm Prediction Center for severe weather also included. But like I said, make sure you smash that subscribe button and also like these videos as well. They go a long way to help the audience to grow my channel, so we can get on up to about 700 subscribers, hopefully in the next few months. Alright, well, let's go ahead and start off here. We got some mixed precipitation portion of California, also in the portion of Wyoming, Utah, and also portion of Colorado region as well. I got some thunderstorms and showers out here in Nevada, California, and also off the California coast. Also across northern Mexico, stretching through Colorado, Wyoming, Nebraska to Texas, northern central Gulf, central and South Florida, Florida Keys, northwest Bahamas, then from Mississippi to Iowa, all the way over toward Lake Huron, Michigan region, also to New Brunswick, also Atlantic coastal waters, stretching back down to D.C., Maryland, and also Delaware, Pennsylvania, western North Carolina, upstate South Carolina, you're included, in North Georgia. Alright, we got some flash flooding and heavy rain over portions of Kansas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, also Tennessee, portion of southern Illinois, southwestern area, and western area of Kentucky. Got some severe weather with portion of northeast Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas region there as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Tuesday. Alright, let's see if we can get to your Wednesday forecast now. Try to get to it. Okay, should be coming up. Alrighty. Should be slowly still coming up here. Should be. Here it is. Alright. We got some mixed precipitation out here in the California mountains. Got some thunderstorms as well in portions of Nevada and California. More thunderstorms and showers for portions of southern New Mexico, stretching into northern state of Mexico to Texas to the northwestern Gulf, central South Florida, Florida Keys, back to Alabama to Mississippi to areas of Kansas, over toward Michigan, Lake Huron, also over toward areas of Nebraska, Maine, also in the Atlantic coastal water, stretching from D.C. to Virginia, western North Carolina, upstate South Carolina, North Georgia, and we got some heavy rain, flash flooding from northern Mississippi to Tennessee, Kentucky, and Ohio region, and Indiana areas as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map you're locating across the nation. Okay, we got some dense fog advisories up here along the Great Lakes, just off the shore of Michigan, then again in northwestern Wisconsin, also central and northern Minnesota. Frost advisories over here in areas of northeastern Washington State, northern Idaho, southeastern Idaho, and western Montana. Wind advisories over northeastern Montana. Also, we have some mixed precipitation and winter weather advisories over southern areas of Wyoming, northern portions of Colorado. Got some freeze warnings in portions of Colorado. Flood watch is also in effect for Kansas, all of the portions of Oklahoma, southern Missouri, and also portions of Arkansas as well. Got a few severe thunderstorm warnings ongoing in southern Ohio, special weather statements and severe weather statements in northeastern areas of Kentucky. Alright, we got smoke rat advisories stretching from Maine all the way down to the New Jersey, Delaware area, a little bit in the Outer Banks, southern California, northern California to Washington State, also around the southwestern area of Alaska, and the purple areas is storm warnings. Alright, let's move on to the severe weather outlook. This is for your Tuesday. As you can see here, we got marginal risk up here around Baltimore, Washington, and just northwest of Richmond. Bowling Green down to Waco to Midlands, Abilene, Lubbock, you're included. Also around Tulsa to Little Rock. Slight risk of severe weather. General thunderstorms elsewhere. Tornado probability. We have a 2 and 5% down in Texas, stretching Oklahoma. Also portions of Arkansas, and also around the Springfield area as well. Damaging winds look like this. 5% from portions of Texas over toward Kentucky and Tennessee. Up here around Washington D.C. area as well. Baltimore, large hail looks like this. 5 and 15%. Like I say, from Texas into portions of Arkansas and southern Missouri. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook for your Wednesday. Okay, we have a marginal risk stretching from Cincinnati, Ohio down to Brownsville, Texas. General thunderstorms elsewhere. Probability looks like this. 5% from Brownsville, Texas up to Cincinnati, Ohio. Alright, now let's move on to the tropics. Okay, there's our 3 systems here we're watching. Here's Major Hurricane Gabrielle east of Bermuda. Here's our next system, looks to become Humberto, which is a 80% chance of development over the next 7 days, 30% over the next 2 days, and a tropical depression is likely to form by Wednesday or Thursday, while the system moves west-northwestward to northwestward across the central tropical Atlantic. Alright, this is our next system, looks to become Imelda. Imelda will be the next one after Humberto. Alright, let me see if I can pull it down here so we can get all the information on here. Let's take a look at the disturbance. Like I said, east of Leeward Islands. Let's see, about 250 miles east of Leeward Island, producing a disorganized shower and thunderstorm environmental conditions appear marginally conducive for slow development of the system over the next few days as it moves quickly westward to northwestward at about 15 to 20 miles an hour. By the latter part of this week, the system is expected to slow down and turn northwestward, and a tropical depression could form late this week when the system is over the southwestern tropical Atlantic or near the Bahamas. Regardless of development, gusty winds and heavy rainfall are expected over portions of the Leeward Islands late tonight and Tuesday, and near Puerto Rico late Tuesday and Wednesday. Formation chance through the next 48 hours is low 10%. Formation chance through 7 days, medium 50%. Alrighty, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Monday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. And today is the first day of fall, y'all.